In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a box in Tradingview, a useful tool for technical analysis in stock trading. We'll break this down into simple, easy to follow steps, so whether you're new to Tradingview or just need a quick refresher, you'll be up to speed in no time. Alright, first things first, let's get your chart up and running on Tradingview. Open up the Tradingview website and log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the chart section where all your stock information is displayed. This is where you'll be able to manage and analyze your data visually. Next, we're going to focus on the drawing tools, which include a variety of options to help you annotate and mark up your charts. Look to the left of your screen and you'll see an icon that looks like a pencil or tool set. This is your drawing tools menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of available tools. Now what you want to do is find and select the rectangle tool from this drop-down menu. The rectangle tool is typically represented by an icon depicting a box, so it should be easy to spot. Selecting this tool allows you to create a box directly on your chart, which can help in highlighting areas, marking ranges, or simply drawing attention to specific data points or trends. With the rectangle tool selected, you can now draw a box on your chart. Click on any starting point within your chart area to begin drawing. Then, while holding down your mouse button, move your cursor to expand the box to your desired size and shape. Release the mouse button once you've outlined the area you want to highlight on your chart. And there you have it, you've successfully drawn a box on your Tradingview chart. This box can be adjusted by clicking on the edges or corners to change its dimensions, and you can move it around your chart by simply dragging it to a new position if needed. It's a really handy way to segment your data visually, whether you're showing a support and resistance zone or any other area of interest. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. You can customize the appearance of your box by right-clicking on it and selecting the format option. This will allow you to change colors, add borders, adjust opacity, and much more. Fine-tuning these settings can make your chart both